Some kind of strange crackling in the sky. It sounds like... It's not thunder either. It sounds like someone beating metal. It's not thunder and it's not a jet. It sounded like someone breaking the sound barrier. It sounded like someone breaking the speed of sound mixed with a metal banging sound in the sky right over us, and then it just would start up and quit, start up and quit. That cow over there, they're always curious as to what I'm doing. Oh, he looked away. You saw that? Look, he looked away, right? She looked away right when I started recording her. Hello, cow. Hey, cow. Look at the little calf. Hey, it's Midnight and Rosie. Hey, kitties. Midnight has her babies out now. Her kittens are out and they're loving all over us and running around playing. We're feeding them some canned food now, so. Oh. Dang traffic. She said, slow yourself down. Look at the cow. Look at the cow over there. Look at the calf running. Rosie's watching the calf run. Rosie's watching the cows and their calf run. She's still looking at those vehicles like, is that necessary? Anyway, yeah, there was a loud rumbling. Thought I'd show it, document it. There's the cows. Lots of our limbs fell for whatever reason, I don't know. Anyway, that's all for this video.